Hey guys, it's Cal with the Lighting Doctor here. I'm going to show you guys today what you're going to get inside your do-it-yourself kit. Before I do that, I want to explain why we designed these do-it-yourself kits. So after installing lights for several years, we just got tired of all the garbage that was being sold out there, whether it be online or in the big box stores, and we saw so many people and homeowners and contractors installing lights using very poor quality materials, and we were having to go around and fix them. So we realized that people wanted to save some money and do it themselves, but we also wanted to give them the same materials and the same products that we use from some of the leading manufacturers of landscape lighting that have been around for a long time, not some fly-by-the-night operation that comes in, sells the lights, offers a 70% discount, gives you a lifetime warranty, and then good luck trying to get that warranty ever reimbursed or get those lights back. All we've done is we've gone and we've searched the best of the best products out there, the best of the best companies that have proven track records, and we've taken all their products and put them together in kits for you guys that are designed to work no matter what kit you buy. All the materials and everything there is built for the long term, whether it be bulbs that last 50,000 hours, waterproof connections that actually hold and keep the water out, fixtures that are built solid with premium quality materials, and you can feel the durability that are going to last 10, 15, 20 plus years. The proper wire that's not going to melt out on you, that you can never make repairs on. Everything inside these kits is the best of the best, and all we've done is put it together for you guys so that you don't have to go and sort through all the garbage that's online and all the stuff that's in the big box stores that, although it may be cheaper in the long term, it usually isn't. But if you're looking for cheap, those are still good options. All we're doing is giving you premium quality materials at the best price we can possibly do that. So here's what you guys are going to find inside your kits. So this is what you're going to find inside your premium do-it-yourself landscape lighting kit. This is kind of the best of the best kit. You get 20 complete lights in this. We've beefed up the transformer, a couple extra tools, and a bunch of stuff in it. So this is going to be a great kit if you have, some fairly extensive landscape, lots of, trees and shrubs that you want to accent. You've got some nice architectural features around the house that you want to get some light on. You've got some walkways and some pathways and some steps that you want to use some path lights as well as some accent lights. This is going to be the kit for you. And what you're going to find inside this kit is you're going to find 12 of the FX Luminaire LED uplights with 4.5 watt LED bulb. Again, some of the highest rated bulbs in the industry from FX Luminaire, rated to last you between 30 and 50,000 hours. Extremely durable, good quality light with a 10-foot lead wire, so it gives you lots of wiggle room, lots of play to move that light around if you have to. Each light also comes with a 6-inch very durable heavy-duty ground stake to keep that light nice and secure while it's in the ground and prevent it from being knocked over very easily. You are also going to find 8 of the FX Luminaire PL path lights with a 12-foot riser. Again, a very, very durable stem compared to most lights out there. Has a 2-watt LED bulb, again from FX Luminaire, that's rated at 30 to 50,000 hours. You can spread these approximately 8 to 15 feet apart, depending on how bright you want that light to be and where you're going to place them. Each light comes with a 10-foot lead wire as well, so it gives you lots of flexibility and play. And you get a beefier ground stake. You get an 8-inch ground stake. It's just a lot more durable because that light has some height, and path lights are known to get knocked over that much easier. You get an even beefier ground stake with every light. So you get 12 up and accent lights for your trees, your shrubs, your architectural lighting, and then you get 8 path lights for walkways and gardens and different areas like that. In the kit, you're also going to get your BBS2 waterproof snap lock connectors. Like these connectors, again, because they're gel filled, so they keep the water out. They snap tight to keep the wires together and keep them from pulling apart over time. You're going to get 3 bags of those 60 connectors, which is more than you need, but it gives you a little bit of extra just in case. You'll use 2 of these at every single fixture. So you're going to get those, plus we're going to throw in a couple other little connectors and little things in your kit that are just going to help make the job that much easier if you need to tee off a wire or to help hammer in the ground stakes, different things like that you're going to find inside your kit as well. You're also going to get, in this kit, you're going to get actually 2 rolls, so 500 feet of 12-2 direct burial low voltage landscape lighting wire. This is very premium quality wire. We don't cheap out on wire. A lot of kits out there do, because you can get cheaper wire. The problem with that is it becomes very brittle and stiff over time, and if you ever need to make a repair or any changes or anything, it's next to impossible to reuse that wire. So we use a very good quality wire that does not need to be run in a conduit. You can bury this directly in the ground. We recommend 6 to 8 inches, just to make sure that it's not getting hit by an aerator or anything like that. So that goes directly in the ground. Really good wire, and just leave a little bit of a loop at every single light, just to make sure that if you need to make any repairs or changes down the road, you have a little bit of extra wire to work with. So you're going to get 500 feet of that. And then what we're excited about, and we've just recently done, is we beefed up the transformer that you're going to get inside these kits. So we have gone from the Kitzler 120 watt transformer to the FX Luminaire 150 watt transformer. It's an extremely heavy and durable transformer I'm holding in my hands here. The reason we've done that is a couple reasons. One, 150 watts gives you the ability to add that many more lights down the road. So I mean, you can put close to 30 lights on this one transformer. The other thing I like about it is inside, instead of a 12 volt tap to put your wires on, it's a 15 volt tap. And all that means is that now you have to worry even less about voltage drop. You can have 6 volts of drop and still get these lights to work, which means you can run your lights, you know, over 300 feet out from this transformer and not have issues with voltage drop with these lights. So so that's why we've gone to that. Very simple to use. It just plugs into your GFCI receptacle and you turn it on. And then the other thing we've added with this is we've added our Weon Wi-Fi timer that now makes this a complete Wi-Fi transformer that's compatible with Amazon Alexa. And all you do is you basically just plug your transformer now into this and plug this into your GFCI receptacle, and you can run your lights from a very simple app from Weon that you can set up multiple different timer options. The most popular is astrological timing. So all that is instead of having to use a photocell that can sometimes fail and senses dawn and dusk, what this does is you set in your geographical location, and it now it knows when dawn and dusk is based on where you are geographically, so you don't have to worry about a photocell ever failing. But it also gives you the option to have about 7 other different timer options. You can turn your lights off from whether you're in your backyard or whether you're in Hawaii. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa, which is really cool. You can just tell your lights to turn on. So a lot of cool things. That's what we've done. Along with that, as always, especially when you start getting up to 20 lights in that, installing the low voltage landscape lighting is not super hard. Sometimes it's just getting the design right and finding the best place to put those lights. You buy a kit, email me at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. I'm going to give you a free consultation. Send me some pictures of your property and I'll walk you through where it's going to be the best place to use these lights to get the maximum effect possible with the minimum amount of light. So again, email me your comments, your questions at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. I hope you guys enjoy your premium landscape lighting kit, and I look forward to hearing from you.
Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. Going to shoot this really quick video how to easily install low voltage landscape lighting. So the first step is to start with our lights. I strongly recommend going with LED, and what we do to help keep the cost down is we buy good quality halogen fixtures and simply replace them with drop-in LED bulbs. And if you have a existing landscape lighting system, you can do this with most of your halogen systems too. It's as easy as popping the top and replacing your halogen bulbs with LED. And the same with our path lights. Find a simple bi-pin T3 LED light and replacing the existing halogen bulb with an LED will give you 30,000 plus hours of life out of that light. So highly recommend you go with LED. Once we've got our light selected, it's as easy as digging a small hole to place our light. And I like to use a rubber mallet to help pound in that ground stake and get it nice and stable so that I can easily screw my light in and make sure everything's level and get everything nice and secure. And then lastly, I lay out my wire, and I always like to leave a little loop at every fixture in case we need to move anything down the road. Next step is wiring our connections. We recommend two types of wire connectors. The first is a snap lock waterproof connector, is gel filled and keeps the wires from pulling apart. And the second is a DBRY connection, which comes in two parts. One has a simple moret that keeps the wires together, and the second part of that is just a gel filled tube that gives it its watertight properties. You simply push the moret all the way into the tip of the gel filled tube and then snap it down tight on the wires. It gives it water seal and keeps them from pulling apart. Next, selecting your transformer. Usually recommend finding something with a photocell that has a small timer on it. You can easily plug into any GFCI receptacle. In this case, we have an on-off function as well as auto that's going to run with nighttime and daylight. Most transformers will have two taps on them, one for a common wire and one 12-volt tap. So securely fasten your wires into that and then mount your transformer. I generally recommend trying to mount it on a 4x4 stake or 4x6 stake, something that's easy to mount and easy to move. Take your plug and plug it into your GFCI receptacle, turn it on, and go around and just make sure all your lights work. Before you bury anything, I would strongly recommend making sure your lights work. Burying the wire is simple. In the grass, just create a small trench that you can easily push the wire down anywhere from 6 to 8 inches deep, and then easily just press that trench tight, and within a couple days you won't even know you were there. And if you're in the mulch, simply just pull the mulch back, dig a small trench, lay the wire down and bury it, and you're set to go. So hopefully that helped you quickly learn how to install low voltage landscape lighting. Please email us or follow us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.